Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the B612 AI Photo and Video Editor app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. B612 is a photo and video editing app that leverages AI technology to enhance creative content. The app offers AI-powered beauty filters, AR effects, stickers, music overlays, portrait adjustments, and video trimming tools, all designed to help users produce high-quality selfies, videos, and social media content. It also supports real-time camera effects, multiple export resolutions, and easy-to-use editing tools for a personalized creative experience. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate B612 for its intuitive interface, smooth performance, and variety of AI-driven effects that make content creation simple and engaging. Many also like the ability to enhance portraits, add fun AR elements, and create short videos quickly for social media sharing. The app is popular among casual creators and influencers alike for making visually appealing content on the go. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some premium filters, effects, and export options require a subscription, which may not be affordable for everyone. Occasional lag can occur on older devices, and certain advanced tools are limited compared to professional desktop editors. Also, while the app is highly versatile, users relying solely on free features may find some functionality restricted. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the B612 app may be worth using if you're looking for a mobile-friendly AI photo and video editor to create polished content quickly. It excels in convenience, AI-powered creative tools, and ease of use. However, if you need advanced editing features without subscriptions or want desktop-level editing control, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.